I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Grok Build on Ubuntu operating system. So first here, opening this place terminal, and there to get the command in Google search box, write there Grok Build, then go on this grok.com site. And now Grok Build that you can get, this is the command is there. You need to copy. Thereafter here, you need to paste this command. Thereafter press enter. And here you can see installing Grok this version and downloading this Grok. So this here currently this is downloading as well as installing the Grok inside the Ubuntu. This here Grok build that install. So this is part that's updated, and here you can see Grok that is in bin or directory. This is agent location, Grok location. Okay. So thereafter, if I write there Grok minus version. So this version that install, if I write there Grok -h, then you can get this all helping command. Thereafter, here, if you want to start the Grok, you can write the Grok or asset. So when I write here Grok, press enter. So Firefox that's open this place, there you need to do the sign in. So opening the Firefox, here you need to do the sign in with Apple, Google, email or X account. Let's click on this Google. Now here verify, click on this allow. This here connected, connection successful. Thereafter you need to minimize this one. Then go on this terminal. Here you can have three options: subscribe, logout, quit. So first that's clicking. So when I click on this first option, so there you can get this Grok. So this here 3 days free you can get. Then you have to pay the 7 and this here 99 or this one. So after subscription, then you can start using the Grok inside your Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.